Today is Sunday, and I figured we would do a little Sunday reset, but I wanted to share with you just a few things that I got from Big Lots and from Dollar Tree. So my Big Lots in town is going out of business, and so I went in there and just found a couple things that, you know, were on sale that I thought we could use. So this first thing is this little rubber mat. This is brown, and I thought that I could put this underneath my sink here where I keep all my cleaning products. Because the wood there is starting to come up, so I got a shelf liner. I also picked up Rylea a couple things of Minnie Mouse socks. I got her just like the pink and then the red, white, and black, so she's good on socks for a little bit now. I also got Roxy another cat laser, but the kids have already opened it and whatever. And then I like to buy these Febreze plugins at Big Lots because they are usually a lot cheaper. This was $5.98, but it was a discount of 60 cents, so I got it for $5.38, so pretty good. And then I also got some Pop-Tarts just because these sounded good and me and Brystal went shopping hungry. I also always go down the Aldi aisle of shame, but I picked up these glasses. These are really pretty. I actually drank out of these at a friend's house the other night, and I love them so much that I was like, I have to go get these. So this is what they look like. They're just pink, and I figure these would be really good to drink like wine out of, so got those. And then from Dollar Tree, just a few things. So I've heard really good things about their pads, so I picked up the regular pads. There are 10 in here, so we'll try those, and if I like them, then I can continue to get them. I also got some more baby wipes for the kids in the bathroom, mainly for Brystal because she has a hard time. And then I got some treats for Roxy. I got this permanent mounting tape because I have a light over here by the microwave that keeps falling down. So I want to try and mount it with this stuff. And then I'm also going to be doing a project in the bathroom because the towel rack and what else fell down? The toilet paper thing fell down, so I want to try and put those back up with that, but I have to patch the wall first. Let's see, I got a decor item. I thought this was really cute. So it just says home, and I figured I could just put this on the front door, but I need to mount it with the foam mounting things. So anyway, I'll put that up here in just a little bit. And then I got quite a few nail stuff. I guess just 3. So this, what is this brand? Ione. So this is Ione, but I got these nail art flakes. They are holographic and they're pink. They had a few more colors, but I just thought this would be good to throw in my nail kit. I have not done my nails yet, but I have everything that I need to do it. I just need to find the time to sit down and just do it. But so I got these pink ones, and then I got a couple chrome powders. So I got a pink one, and then I also got a red one. The red one looks really pretty. I feel like this would be really good for Valentine's Day. So there's that, and then a couple more things. Okay, we'll change in just a second. Give me just a second. I've heard really good things about this primer. So this is the Be Pure essentially I can't say that word, ageless blur face primer. So I'll try that. And then I love these blushes. So I got Rosewood and French Rose. I just thought that these would be really pretty. And I have one that I absolutely love that I use like every time I put my makeup on, so I figured I would pick up a couple more. And that is everything that I got from Dollar Tree and Big Lots. I'm gonna go change her diaper, and then I will let you know what we're doing today. Okay, so I'm gonna do some breakfast freezer prep. So I've got some eggs here and some milk. I'm gonna make eggs in the oven. I've also got some American cheese to put on the sandwiches. I'm gonna do ham, egg and cheese bagels, bacon, egg and cheese biscuits, sausage, egg and cheese muffins, and then I've got my biscuits here, my bagel thins, and then some sausage patties. So first things first, I'm gonna get the bacon going in the oven. I'm kinda new with apologies, holding back, I got history, yeah, but the way you've been crossing the line, oh,
Never could it bite, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
Okay, I am finally done. I feel like this took me forever, but it only took me about an hour. So I've got sausage and cheese muffins, a couple of sausage biscuits because I ran out of muffins. I've got ham, egg, and cheese bagels, and then a couple bacon and cheese bagels because I ran out of ham. And then I have a bunch of bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits back here. So I'm going to let these cool off completely, and then I will wrap them in plastic wrap or aluminum foil, and then I'm going to throw them in the freezer, and we can take these out as we need them. But this should last quite a bit of long time, so that feels good to just have it done. Okay, so I'm gonna give a little remodel update. So since the last time I showed you, they installed this door. They extended the doorway. You can see right there how much they extended it. The door before was 24 inches, and now this door is 36. And then this is kind of how we're keeping the door shut for now. So you walk in, and they have built our closet with the drywall. So we're not going to put a door on this. They're just going to install some shelves, and of course they got a mud and all that good stuff. They have drywalled this whole side. So that's done. They repaired all the subfloor, all new subfloor in here. And then here's what our shower is looking like. They have installed, this is the new light switch. So it'll be inside the bathroom instead of outside in our bedroom, which is cool. I'm happy with that. They also installed this window. So we don't have the door here anymore. We just have a window, which we really, really like. That door was completely useless to us. So we wanted just a window. They took out the toilet. We're going to get a new toilet, but that is for way later down the road because they can't even install it until the floor is done. But here's what the shower is looking like. Let me zoom out a little bit. So let me turn the lights on. We have lights in the shower. There's our light for the shower, just right up there. It's gonna make it super bright. We can have it on or off, doesn't matter. They've got our shower valves installed for shower heads. So there's a head gonna be right up there, a head over there, and then we'll both have little sprayers for each side. And then let me share with you what the actual shower is gonna look like. So that is the color of it. I really like it. It's really pretty. And that's also what my countertop is gonna look like on my vanity. And then over here, they did install a bench, but he had to take it down because right now we're dealing with some leveling issues. They got to get this level before they can install the base of the shower, but everything is in and ready to go. We just have to get this level and then they can hopefully set that tomorrow. So yeah, that's kind of the bathroom update. I am gonna sit here and fold some laundry. So I figured we could do a little surgery update. So Friday I had surgery, and everything went really well. My surgery was at 12:30. I think we were home by 4, but the way that anesthesia works with me is I kind of just have to sleep it off. So I slept for the first couple days. My kids stayed with their grandma, and that's just kind of what we did. So then I went back to work on Monday. Sunday, I was feeling a little bit better, but I still just kind of took it easy because I wanted to make sure that I wasn't overdoing myself. So yeah, I just kind of relaxed for the first basically 3 days. Went back to work Monday. My face was pretty swollen until the following Friday. But it is about a week and a half post surgery and I'm feeling pretty good. I still have to be really careful about what I eat and how I eat it. But other than that, doing really well. I still have a little bit of pain. So, I mean, I'm just managing with like ibuprofen. And then I'm still on antibiotics. Just taking those until they're gone. And so, yeah, that's kind of the update. I don't have any post-ops or anything. I just have to go back to my normal dentist. Just whenever I can, they said, but I have an actual appointment for just like a routine in March, I think. So I will go do that. And so yeah, that's kind of the little update. They did not end up having to repair my sinus cavity, which was great, or it wasn't on the invoice anyways. I'm not sure. I don't feel like they did though, although I did have a lot of pain on that side for a few days. So I am going to tackle this project. This is under my sink. So I just have too much going on under here. What I want to do is kind of like organize things based on how I use them. So like dishwasher stuff in one bucket, multi-surface in another, dishwashing things in another bucket, and just like make sure that I'm actually using through what I have. I've got some multi-surface that I need to get used up. So yeah, I'm just gonna start going through this and not really so much declutter, but more so organize. And then I have this shelf liner down here that I want to put down because some of the wood back here is damaged and I want to put this down. So I'm just gonna take everything out, I think, and then try and organize it. I got that done, so I just put everything together that makes sense. So I have this little thingy here. I just put some extra sponges and then the soap that needs to be used next. And actually, I might go ahead and switch that out because the one that I have up here is the winter candy apple. And so I could put that with my Christmas stuff and use that for Christmas next year. And this bin right here, I've got like dishwashing stuff. So I've got liquid, the spray, Brillo. I love this stuff. I get that from Dollar Tree. And then I've got my dishwashing liquid back there. I've got just an extra little baby bottle thing. I use that for Rylea's cups. This one, I've got my most used. So I've got 3 multi-surface sprays that are about halfway gone. So I need to use those up. I've also got a couple of dishwasher things back there that I use, you know, more than often. And then I've got things that I want to have easy access to. So my floor cleaners, stainless steel, my soft scrub back there, and then my crud cutter that I use on my stove when I fry things. And then in that bin back there are all my backups. So I like this. I think it looks really good and super happy to have this project done. I think while I've got this out and while I'm already decluttering, I'm gonna go ahead and go through this drawer here. This does not stay organized. It just doesn't. So I'm gonna take all of these little thingies out of here. I'm gonna clean out the drawer, declutter a little bit, and then I'm gonna put this drawer liner in here. And I think I'm just gonna throw all of these in without the organizers and see how that works for a little bit because this system is obviously not working. Okay, well that was quick and easy. I kept this because I keep all my little measuring spoons in here, and then I have this little measuring cup as well, but I've got all my silicone stuff here. I love these little silicone utensils. I use them all the time. And then I've got like potato peelers for my hand mixer, an ice cream scoop. My husband loves these metal spoons. I actually got these from my old job. We had like a cookout and I took these home because they were in my crock pot, and then they just never made their way back. So then I have some cookie scoops and a couple pizza cutters. This is what I'm decluttering. These tongs are broken. My kids they don't know how to use them, so instead of pulling this thing down, they just pull them apart, and so I need to get another one of those. And then I also need to get another one of these because apparently the mice ate that. And then this potato peeler is probably 10 years old and it's all rusted and I just want to get rid of it. And then I hate these tongs. They don't work very well. They were great for a party one time, but just need to get rid of them. So yeah, I am happy with that. Moving back in time a little bit, we had family dinner the night before, so I needed to get some appetizers ready. So I've got some smoked sausage here. I'm just cutting this up. I actually got this 8-pack at Aldi for a fairly good price. So I just cut all that up, put it in my crock pot. I seasoned with some Cajun seasoning, and then I've got about half a bottle of barbecue sauce. I'm going to sprinkle with some brown sugar. Just let all of that melt, and then at the end, I throw it in the air fryer and let it kind of get all like glazed. I did not get an end shot of it, but it was delicious and everyone loved it. And then I am making some Rotel sausage balls. So this is just a different take on sausage balls. I'll put the recipe down below for you, but basically it is the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix, Rotel, cream cheese, sausage, and then shredded cheese. And then you mix everything up and you bake it. I think it was like 400 for about 18 minutes. These were delicious and they were a huge hit. Highly recommend trying this.
It's 2 a.m. when we close the bar, but we're in the get-go. Next place, give me someone. I could dance with you beneath the stars, 'cause when I